Hello everyone, and welcome back again to a brand new video. In this video, I will walk you throughout buying Trump coin on Trust Wallet in 2025. Whether you are a beginner or just need a refresher, this guide will make it easy for you. So let's get started. Before we start with this video, make sure to watch it from now till the end so you can have the full experience. So, first thing first, guys, is you will need Trust Wallet. To get it, you're simply going to go to trustwallet.com and download the wallet. So the wallet is basically just an app, so you can have it in your PC or like use it as a website, but you can actually download it as an extension, which is very good. So let's go ahead and add it to our Chrome just by clicking on the extension and adding it as Chrome extension to our browser. Once it's done, you will find it in here. So this is Trust Wallet, and now you can create a new wallet, give it a password. So let's go ahead and give it a cute little password, and let's just rewrite it down here. I have read and agreed to the term of service, then click on next. They will give you a secret phrase, recovery phrase. I'm not really going for that, and I'm going to exactly to open the wallet. So I'm going to ignore that. So here we go. As you can see, this is the wallet, and now if you want to actually do anything in here and manage your crypto, we need to first check if Trump coin is actually in here. So if I want like that, as you can see, you will find hundreds and hundreds of tokens in here. So the one that you will needing to go for is official Trump. So here, as you can see, there is Trump, Magas, Trump, DGT, Trump, hundreds of Trump, guys. So you might find yourself lost, but do not worry. So if I went in here to CoinGecko and I search for official Trump, so this is the current currency that you are going to talk about in this video, you can find a couple of information that could help you. First of all, the price. So it is 39.32. Second of all, the logo and the name. If I went here, this is exactly what we are looking for. Now, let's say that there was something else having the same name, the same token name, and the same logo. I'm going to go right here and check for the info. So here info, we have websites. So here gettrumpmemes.com, and here we have the contract. So for now, you can go ahead and find the contract in here, copy the address and paste it in your wallet. Just try to find it. Maybe that's possible. As you can see, it is very possible, so you can find it like that, or you can simply just check the contract info and check the network. As you can see, it is Solana, and there is no other token that has been appealing to us in that list that has the same name, the same logo, and the same contract network as Solana. So in that case, I'm going to add it as just like that to be shown in my first list. Now, as you can see, this is Trump. Now, to actually get to buy this token, it's pretty simple. You simply have to click in here to buy, and basically here choose the currency that you are willing to use. In our case, we're going to use the US dollars. Of course, you can choose whatever currency that suits you the best. Depending on your country, you can choose the currency of your country, of course, if it is available in here. The price will change every 5 seconds, so make sure to be fast with your purchase, and of course, make sure to pick a good decision. Do not just like buy it randomly. In here, you will find that there is other platform that has kind of like prices of this token and different prices. For example, here we have Binance that has 3.6 for Trump, which is very good. So this is a higher price than that, even though it has this rate, but this one is pretty better in terms of pricing. And here you can choose the payment method. So in our case, you can either go with instant transfer, with P2P, or credit card. Let's go with credit card and then choose one of these platforms. So you can go here. Before you buy, you have to back up your secret phrase, so let's go ahead and back up the account. And once we are done with it, so I'm gonna just go ahead and copy. So once I have actually done that, I'm just gonna like write it. So I don't really care if I show it to you guys. It's gonna be pretty straightforward. So here, Tube Snow, because these wallets I'm gonna just delete them later on after the video, so it doesn't really matter that much for me. So Moon, not inch, entry, and sync. Next, so there we go. Now once I have done that, I can go ahead and buy it. So as you can see here, proceed, go ahead and choose one of these. For example, I'm going to choose this one, and they're going to take you to actually to this platform. Now you simply have to go through a little bit of stuff. As you can see here, you have to put your email address and like do kind of like an account creation. It's not fully an account creation, but just to actually verify your informations. Once you have done that, then you will receive the money in your Trust wallet. So you'll have like the Trump coin in here, and then you can literally just start trading with it as you like. You can send it, receive it, sell it, and do whatever you'd like with it. And yeah, that was it for today's video, guys. If you did enjoy it, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you guys a lot for watching, and see you guys in the next tutorial. Bye bye.